everyone, Rebecca here from Empowered Avenue. Today we're making galaxies in a bottle. You can also make these in a jar or whatever you have handy. All you'll need is a bottle or a jar, some cotton balls, paint mixed in water, and some glitter. This activity takes about 20 minutes. The first step is to take your cotton balls and start tearing them apart. You don't want this to look like cotton balls stuffed in a bottle or a jar. You want it to look like an ethereal galaxy. So the thinner you make them, the better. Then take your paint water and put a little bit inside. Try not to put too much. Use a stick or something to mix it around and get it all soaked up by the cotton balls. I found these sauce bottles worked quite well to hold the paint water, and it has the tip on the end, but they are a little bit big for little hands. If you don't have these, just use a cup and a funnel to put the paint water into your bottle or jar. Once you're happy with it, it's ready to add some glitter. Again, use your stick to move the glitter to the outside because you won't see the glitter from the inside. And that's your first layer done. Get some more cotton balls and keep going for the second layer. Add some more paint, a different colour, and glitter, and keep going. If you want darker colours for your galaxy bottle, just put more paint in with your paint water. And there you have it, your galaxy in a bottle. Thanks for watching and have fun!